Hi there, and welcome to Rendore. Today, I will walk you through a simple workflow to showcase some of the key features inside the app. But first, let's clean up the board. Now let's add an image from the prompt bar. I really like this one, but I like to explore a couple more options. So let's quickly use our variations feature. Just tap on the image and you will see the sidebar. We have different options here, including different models such as ChatGPT, Seedream, and Gemini. But for now, let's stick with the standard model on a balanced creative level. This should take just a couple of seconds to load up. Okay, these ones look quite great. So let's save the design style of one of the images with one of our features called Design DNA. Just press on the image and on the toolbar, tap on Extract Profile. It will quickly open the sidebar, where you will have more options. You can save this Design DNA and apply it anytime across any other projects or images. As you can see, the platform analyzes the image and breaks down its core elements. It provides tailored prompts, identifies materials, textures, and color palettes, and can even estimate the budget for the furniture in the room or other objects. But now let's save this style quickly. Every time you apply it to another image, Rendore keeps track of the complete design language and always has a prompt ready when you need it. This is also available from the main hub under the Assets category. You can also easily access your saved styles or prompts from the library or in the main hub. You can find the library in the header right there. Or if you're lazy as I am, you can just press Ctrl-K, which will open up the command center where you can tap for any feature inside the app and go directly to it. Here you can see your styles, images, and custom choices. But let's try to change the chair from one of the images. So let me go to the search function. I'll type luxury chair. Here we can use any of the engines such as Google, Amazon, Houzz, or even Pinterest to find ideas and add them directly to our canvas. Let me take a look. Yes, I think the right one on the bottom looks quite good. Now let me just quickly copy the link and add it to the board. It automatically identifies the asset types and saves it to your board. Let's press save. Now, let's click Use as Reference on the created pin, which opens the image directly, so we can use it as a reference. Now, let's open Edit Mode by double pressing on our main image that we want to edit. Now that we are here, let's press on a reference. Here you can directly just choose an image from your board, but let's press Analyze instead, which allows us to go more into detail. I'm gonna change to Object and press on the chair. You can also just hover. So, I'm using the image we just imported from Pinterest, pressing on it, and now I'm just gonna write a simple prompt, replace chair. Press enter, and it will be automatically added to the canvas. Now, I would really love to generate a quick mood board for this to reference it later, and maybe grab multiple angles of the room to get a better overall feeling for the space. Let's open our presets feature by tapping on the image and going into the toolbar. Here you will find a multitude of options tailored for both exterior architecture and interior design. It's a curated selection we've been perfecting for a while. Let me quickly go to presentation and select both of our options, such as mood board and multiple angles generation. Of course, you can do up to 4 images at a time. Let's just select them and press Generate from the prompt bar. Okay, I really like these ones. But I think I would like to try a different direction here. I'm just not quite sure what yet. We could quickly open the AI chat. Here, I could ask something like, how can I improve my design? Or give me some texture ideas. Or, if you want to explore more, you could change the focus area, where we have a variety of options based on your specific workflow. The assistant changes its shape and context based on that. But let's not get too deep into that right now. So we have time to explore the advisors, one of our other features. So Ctrl K and directly open it. We have two main focus areas here: interior design and architecture. Depending on your choice, Rendore provides different expert personas for tailored recommendations. Let's select them and hit the Generate button to see what happens. As you can see, we get 6 distinct suggestions based on those specific focus areas. You can quickly add any of these as a prompt to generate a brand new image built around that expert advice. Just press on Use as Prompt and then Generate from the prompt bar. Now, let's take a look at our video feature. Just select any image and press the video icon in the toolbar. We have multiple options and presets here, but let's just stick with the default and press Generate. Let's look at the Upscaler. Simply click on your image and select the upscale icon from the toolbar. Here again, you have multiple options, different models, resolutions, formats, and even custom settings to play around with. But for this time, I will just choose Premium and press Generate. Right-click on any image and you will find Define Products feature. This will scan the room, identify objects, and provide estimated price along with direct links to retailers like Google, Amazon, eBay, even Houzz. Let's click on one of those to see what happens. One final thing for today, the share functionality. Here, you can either download all of your images, create a design brief, create a presentation, or even share it with anyone else so they can access the board. But let's look at the design brief. This will create a markdown that you can download directly, which you can send to any AI agents to have the entire context of your project and take your work to any other tool that you might need. The story feature will create a timeline with all of the work you have created in Rendore Infinite. All of the steps that you have gone through, ready to be shared with your colleagues or with your clients. You can go through every single one of them, download and export to any favorite format. Let's also take a look at Create Presentation, which takes all of the images on your board and creates a PDF which you can download and export, containing all of the images and prompts that you have used across your project, so you can reference them at any time or share it with anyone you might want to. And now shortly, the Share feature. Here, you can create a shareable link of your board to send it directly to your colleagues, where they can access the board and see the work, leave comments, annotations, sticky notes, or any form of feedback that they might need. That's it. For any questions, we are more than happy to help you in using Rendore Infinite.